Hey guys, I'm out here with my friend Linda. We're getting some yard work done. There's lots to do. We're trying to put the garden to bed. So stick with us and see the chores that we're getting tended to today. Now this was right before we got blasted by the beautiful wintry white stuff. So I figured that we'd start right here at the side garden. As you can see, the hostas are pretty much done. The frost got to them. So we're going to start by chopping down a lot of these plants. And here we are once we've finished. You can see we've cut back a lot of the perennials. And here, continuing along the side garden, we just went right along here and just kept cutting back all the spent leaves. Now I got my Stella d'Oro lilies here. They're still looking quite green, but I'm gonna cut them all the way to the ground. Now here I'm cutting back some daylilies here. I'm not too sure if I want to keep them for next season. Now this little thing, I don't know. I've been trimming it back because it's been really taking up a lot of space. This lily. I don't even know what kind of lily it's called.
Which one? Those ones there?
The orange lilies.
Yeah, the day lilies?
Yes, because some people, I was reading, consider them a weed.
Yeah, they are. Yep. What was it? I think last summer or 2 summers ago, I filled about 4 bags worth of mine. Because they weren't blooming because they were in deep shade, but they had been spreading for years and years. And I dug them all up and put them in garbage bags.
So I've had this beautiful clematis. It's Jack Manny Superba. There's the picture there. And it bloomed for me really nicely. So I figure I better get it out of its pot and get it into the ground before it gets too cold and it can't establish any roots. So I think I better get to work and get this thing in the ground while I'm out here doing some work. So here she is in all her glory, planted close to the rose bushes along this trellis here. So we'll see what happens next spring. Here I have this wonderful foxglove that's actually a biennial, but it did bloom for me this year. I got some really nice pink blooms and it's grown so massive. So I decided that I am going to divide it and put it into another space somewhere around the garden and see if I can get it to bloom again. So I divided it and found a nice spot for it. I'm just adding a little bit of fertilizer to give it a little head start before we really start getting blasted so it can, spread some roots as much as it can. And look, it looks like the space is perfect. So I've been going down my list of what I need to do and I'm just about done. I've been checking off mostly everything that I need to do. So I'm going to keep going and you guys have a great day. Talk to you later.